Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin with lesson number 3, Iswaran the Storyteller, from the supplementary book Moments. This chapter is written by R.K. Lakshman. R.K. Lakshman was one of the most celebrated cartoonists of India. And in this story, Lakshman wants to present a story with supernatural powers. The main character of the lesson, Mahendra, is a junior supervisor who works for a construction company. Iswaran was his helper, who cooked his food, washed his clothes, and gave him a good company. Iswaran himself was fond of reading some popular Tamil thrillers. These thrillers made him believe in the existence of ghosts. His stories are full of supernatural elements. So, students, before I begin with the explanation part of the chapter, I would like to introduce you with the author of this chapter, that is R.K. Lakshman. R.K. Lakshman was an Indian cartoonist, illustrator, and humorist. He was best known for his creation, The Common Man, and daily cartoon strip You Said It in the Times of India, which was started in 1951. Lakshman started his career as a part-time cartoonist, working mostly for local newspapers and magazines. As a college student, he illustrated his elder brother R.K. Narayan's stories in The Hindu. Students, you all are familiar with R.K. Narayan, the author of the famous storybooks Swami and His Friends, and the same novel which has been serialized, The Malgudi Days. So R.K. Lakshman was his younger brother. He was awarded Padma Bhushan in 1973 and Padma Vibhushan in 2005 by the Government of India. Now let us continue with the explanation part of the chapter. Mahendra, a junior supervisor. So the main protagonist, the main character of this lesson, he worked as a junior supervisor and he worked for a construction company. His duty was to look after the activities at the work site. He was a bachelor. He had to go from one place to the other. He had Iswaran, his cook, as an asset. Asset here means as a property, the thing which he carried from one place to another. So Iswaran used to accompany him whenever he was posted at different sites. Iswaran cooked for Mahendra, washed his clothes, and chatted away with his master at night. He was a man of different skills. He was an amazing cook. Iswaran was fond of reading Tamil thrillers. He was a superb storyteller. He narrated small incidents, created suspense, and twisted details. He would add surprising ending to his stories. He was very, very imaginative, and he played the role of a TV in Mahendra's life. Now, once Iswaran told Mahendra a story about a tusker. I am sharing the picture of tusker over here. The tusker escaped from the timber yard and began to roam about. He moved here and there, destroying and beating anyone who came his way. Ultimately, it reached Iswaran's school. Everyone was watching his activities of destruction, and it was beyond control. But Iswaran told Mahendra that he grabbed a cane from the teacher's hand and faced the mad tusker very boldly. He hit him on his third toenail, and the elephant shivered from head to foot in pain and ultimately collapsed. At this point, he would leave the story. So that was very amazing part of Iswaran. He always ended the story at a very surprising very surprising end. He never used to tell what happened next. So I'm just leaving the story here only, and you people are supposed to read till whatever we have discussed today. Meanwhile, I'm discussing few meanings of the difficult words which have come across in the chapter. It is going to help you in better understanding of this. Supervisor means observer. Keep an eye on means to watch. Mining means digging. Make shift means portable. Portable means very comfortable, moving from one place to another. Quarry means open mining. Mutter means to say in low voice. Thriller means full of excitement. Sprawled means spread arms and legs carelessly. Canvas means strong, rough cloth. Uncritically means without criticizing. Prologue means introduction. Anecdote means short, amusing story. Timber yard means a yard where wood is stored. Stamping means crushing. Emulation means copying something. Outskirt means outer area of a town or city. Depredation means damage. Menacingly means in a harmful manner. And trumpeted means to produce loud sound. Thank you.